This is a presentation from Pacific Life Insurance Company.
So you're thinking about buying an index universal life insurance policy to help protect your family or business. You probably have some questions. While your financial professional is your best resource to talk to about your specific situation, we'd like to give you some basics. Index Universal Life, or IUL as we like to call it, is a cash value life insurance policy that can provide a death benefit to your family or business. Cash value means that as you pay premiums, the policy has a potential to build cash value, which you may access during your lifetime in the forms of policy loans and withdrawals. What typically makes IUL different from other types of cash value life insurance is that the interest rates credited to the policy's cash value can be based in part on the performance of a major stock market index, such as the S&P 500, subject to caps and floors. Here's an example of how a typical indexed account works. If the index increases in value, your policy's cash value can participate in that upward growth up to the cap. However, if the index decreases in value, your policy's cash value is protected from the index-based losses by a guaranteed minimum rate, the floor, and is reduced by monthly policy charges. When you pay your premium, we assess a charge called a premium load, and then allocate the net amount to a fixed account. You can choose to leave the net premium there and earn interest, or allocate all or part of your premium to an indexed account. When you allocate to an indexed account, you create a segment. The cash value in that segment will receive a minimum guaranteed interest credit throughout the term of the segment, typically 12 months. The minimum credit, the floor, is usually 0%. At the end of the term, the index growth is measured. If the index closing price is lower than it was at the beginning of the term, the segment's value receives the minimum guaranteed interest rate. If, however, the index closing price is higher than it was at the beginning of the segment term, the segment's value receives an interest credit based on the positive growth of the index up to the cap. Your financial professional can explain all this in more detail. Upside potential with downside protection. That's the appeal of Index Universal Life Insurance. Pacific Life has been a leader in the Index Universal Life marketplace since 2005 and has been keeping promises to our life insurance clients since 1868. We regard each policy as a promise and a long-term relationship. Our track record shows our dedication to your financial future. Be sure to ask your financial professional for more detailed information about Pacific Life and our Index Universal Life Insurance products.